Did you know that nearly 80% of people over 40 experience some form of joint discomfort? And it's not just about aging, it's also about how we take care of our bodies. I've been exploring ways to improve joint comfort and mobility, and that's when I stumbled upon the gelatin trick. It's amazing how something as simple as gelatin can make a big difference in how we move and feel. When you try the gelatin trick, you're not just adding a new supplement to your routine, you're actually giving your body the tools it needs to repair and strengthen your joints. Imagine being able to wake up without that stiffness, to move freely without feeling like your joints are holding you back. That's what the gelatin trick can do for you. My friend, who's an athlete, swears by the gelatin trick. She says it's helped her recover faster and perform better. The gelatin trick is all about using food to nourish your body, and when you make it a part of your daily ritual, you'll start to notice the difference. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in my description below. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick.